Hey, can you see? Can you see? Sure.
How much does this cost? Where'd you get this from?
A toy department. He's looking for something for $1. That's pink.
You want to buy it? Really? I don't think.
He meant the box.
Oh, sorry. You want this thing? There's no more on the shelf?
I think he just wants the box.
Yes, the box. Can you show me where you get it? I'm sorry about that. This one? I think.
$30 for a box?
I don't know. I don't
That's
remember where it
expensive.
was.
What was in that? The real Tinkerbell?
Well, yeah, yeah, come on, you probably put it over there. Okay.
I don't know.
$12.
You really want a box?
No, I want the box. You want the box?
How much is the box one?
Awesome!
Man, your mom's gonna be glad.
Did you actually get that?